Hi everyone, welcome back to Matke Studio. In today's lesson, we will be diving into basic guitar lesson 2, where you will be learning how to hold the chords on the guitar. This session is specially designed to help you progress smoothly. Grab your guitar and let's get started. I would like to tell you about the major chords. Today you will be learning how to hold the combination of major chords. There are 7 chords: A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and each chord has a combination. Okay, and today we shall learn the combination of A. After A, which letter comes? B. After B comes C. After C, D, E. So A, you leave B and C, you get D and E. So A combination is D and E. Alright, so in order to hold the chords, let us count our fingers. You can count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can reverse the counting. Okay, for today let us count from little finger as finger 1, this ring finger as finger 2, middle finger as finger 3 and index finger as finger 4, because mainly we will hold the chords with the help of these 4 fingers. The thumb is only to grasp the neck of the guitar or the back of the guitar. Okay, so let us learn the A chords. Okay, A. Now finger 1 on the 2nd fret, 1st, 2nd. Okay, 2nd fret, hold on the 2nd string. Remember, finger 1, fret number 2, string number 2. Let 2nd finger, that is the ring finger, on the same fret, 3rd string, string number 3, and middle finger on the same fret 2, string number 4. So you have to press it hard and tight so that you get this sound. You see? Now let us see again. You put like this and hold. You can start from top, middle finger, 4th string, fret 2, ring finger, fret 2, 3rd string, and little finger, finger 1, 2nd string, 2nd fret. Remember, you have to get the sound like that. If you don't press hard, you will get the sound like that. But when you press hard, you get the sound A. Sometimes the A can also be pressed in this way. This finger 4, 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 2nd finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. This is also A. It produces the same sound. It depends on you. How do you press? Whether you are comfortable like this, or like this, it produces the same A. Alright, so you have learned A. Now let us check the D. D chord goes like this. Now check the 4th finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Remember, 4th finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. 1, 2, 3, 3rd. Then middle finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, and ring finger, finger 2, 2nd string, you see, this is 2nd string, on the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, 3rd fret. This middle finger you put on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and the 4th finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. So there are two fingers on the second fret and one finger on the third fret. Check the fingers. So you should practice this way, and when you play, it should give this sound. Now we have learned the A this way or this way. Now the D this way. Now for the E, it is still a combination of A, remember, A, D, combination of A, as I've told you, D and E. Now this finger, the fourth finger, to make sure you don't need to lift up if you want to press the E, just roll here this fret number 1, string number 3, and this middle finger on fret number 2, fifth string, string number 5, okay, second fret, you see, and this ring finger, finger number 2, on the second fret of the fourth string number 4. Now you play this and you get the E chord, okay. See again, fourth finger on the first fret of the third string, 1, 2, 3. Middle finger on the second fret, 1, 2, fifth string, you see, fifth string I'm pressing, and ring finger, that is finger 2, on the same fret number 2, but of the fourth string, 1, 2, 3 and fourth string. And now when you play, you press hard, you have to press hard, okay, and you get the E. So this finger, sometimes it may touch down, the sound will not be smooth and it will not be sweet. So you have to press in such a way that the fingers touch only the strings and according to the frets on the right frets. I hope you have understood up to that much how to hold A, D and E. Now you have to practice individually the A chord. When you are very sure of A, then you go to the D, and when you are sure of the D, you go to the E. Alright? First you practice the A till you become very sure, very confident, and you practice the D chord as I have shown you till you become very sure of it, and you practice the E chord till you are sure about it. When you are sure of each of these chords, then you will practice the strumming, how to shift the chord from A to D, from D to E, from E to A. With the combination of A, you can play song, okay. We shall tell you later which song you can play with this combination. Sometimes combination can go from A to E, or it can go from A to D, or from A, D, E, then it comes again to A. It depends on which song. After you have practiced all those chords and learned the individual chord of A, and you are very sure of D, and you are very sure of E, practice it slowly. Don't rush. You need to be patient and just keep on practicing A, then you shift to D, then you shift to E. So practice in this way all the time. When you're done with the shifting from A to D, D to E, then you go A to E, E to D. A to E, E to D. Then you come A to E, E to D, D to A to D, D to E, E to A. So you make it faster and faster. That is a slow, 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 slow. Sometimes when you change the chord during the transition from one chord to another, you may not be sure of whether you are catching the right chord or not, the right fret and the right string or not. Don't worry about it, just keep on changing. Now start strumming. Okay, start strumming. A, D, 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 E, A. Sometimes when you transit, you may not be sure. So check. If you are not sure, also keep on strumming. A, D, C, D, E, A. Keep on following the beat. A, D, E, A. So keep on doing like that. Even if you are not sure, just keep on strumming. Now we shall transit from A to E, E to D. Okay, so A, D, E, D, A, D, A. So A like this also, A like this also, A. So A is same. There are 3 ways. Some of them they hold A this way. It all depends on you. So I hope you have learned something today from my class. Okay, the combination of A, that is D and E. Please keep on practicing if you want to learn how to play the guitar. I can make sure that if you keep on practicing 1 week, there will be time for you 1 week to practice, because next week I'm going to teach you another chords, another combination of another chords, maybe the D, combination of D, because you have already learned the D, but we need you to practice. I'm here to teach you because I know out there you want to learn guitar, and if you really want to learn, you need to practice. I cannot come and teach you personally, but as I've shown you, keep practicing. It is also self-practice. Self-practice is needed in your houses where you have the guitar. Practicing, let's say 15 minutes in a day, practice. If you are interested, practice, and we shall keep on progressing. We'll progress, and then when you have learned all the chords, we shall go to the intermediate, how to play the song. We shall also learn how to play song. Alright, so that is all for today. We shall wind up this guitar basic lesson 2 with the combination of chord A. Next week we shall teach you the next the other chords. So till then, see you again. So I hope you will be able to perform one day on the stage. Keep on practicing. Thank you.